Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and account readiness. Make sure your Apple TV and Siri remote support Siri, and that you're signed into the same Apple ID. Then enable Siri in Settings. That lets voice requests reach Apple's servers securely. Once done, verify Wi-Fi and location services are active so Siri can fetch local results and device-specific commands. This step removes permission barriers and explains why Siri may not respond without account or network access. So you now learn the interaction patterns. Press and hold the Siri button on the remote, speak your request, then release. This triggers a voice capture. Be specific. For example, say the app name or year range so Siri filters results efficiently, which saves time. Once Siri responds, you can chain follow-up questions without repeating context, so the system understands continuity. Make sure to enunciate titles and use short phrases for playback controls, which reduces recognition errors and speeds up the action you want. Finish by mastering advanced uses. Ask Siri to control smart home devices, open specific settings panels, or perform universal searches across apps. If Siri fails, first restart the remote and Apple TV, then confirm the remote is paired. That often restores voice functionality. Make sure TV OS is up to date, because updates improve recognition and add features. If problems persist, reset Siri settings to refresh permissions. This sequence resolves most issues and explains why software and pairing matter for reliable voice control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.